Hello everyone. As you know very well that we are discussing chapter number 12 and the name of the chapter is friction. In previous video I have explained you different types of friction. Static friction, sliding, rolling friction. And one more friction I have explained, that is fluid friction. Means friction or force exerted by liquids and gases. Another word of fluid friction is drag. So what are the different factors affecting the drag? I have explained in previous video. In today's video I am going to explain friction is a necessary evil. Means friction has lot of advantages as well as disadvantages in our daily life. So let's start advantages. First, friction helps us to walk. Means when you are walking on the road, then feet or footwear and the ground help us to walk without slipping. That's why it is difficult to walk on ice or on a smooth polished floor. Again, next advantage is there, it helps us to write. अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं होता तो हम पेन या चौक से नहीं लिख पाती, क्योंकि ब्लैक बोर्ड और इस चौक के बीच में क्या है, फ्रिक्शन है. That's why we are able to write. Again, it helps us to hold things. Many things we are able to hold due to just friction. Again, it helps to slow down or stop a moving vehicle. What does it mean? You know very well. Friction होने की वजह से क्या होते हैं, व्हीकल क्या हो जाएगी, स्पीड उनकी स्लो हो जाएगी या फिर क्या हो जाएंगे, रुक जाएंगे. Just this example I have explained lot of time. So here the friction between the treated tires and the rough surface of the road enable vehicle to move safely on the road. That is why we observe more incidents of vehicle skidding on grease or wet roads on rainy day. Friction between the brake shoe and the wheel slow down or stops a moving vehicle. And another just advantage is there, friction helps in constructing purpose. It also helps in grinding. Friction also starts or stops a vehicle. Now you understood. And again, without this, it is also helpful to light a matchstick, sew clothes, tie a knot, or fix a nail on the wall. So lot of functions are there which are just due to friction in daily life. In these function you can write other function also, like just friction between the pencil or a pen and paper help us to write. That is why we find it difficult to write on a smooth surface like plastic, glass, etc. It is friction that allow your teacher to write on the blackboard. So now I think you have understood about the advantages. Now the disadvantages, means friction is a evil also. Just first, wear and tear of machine part. What does it mean? I think you know very well what does it mean. Means friction, when the friction wear out the rubbing surface like screws and ball bearing of machine or sole of shoes. आपके जूतों के सोल क्यों घिस जाते हैं? क्योंकि वो क्या होते हैं, wear and tear due to just friction. Again, energy is wasted in overcome of friction. Lot of energy is wasted due to friction. Again, it produces heat. When you are rubbing, you know very well, when you rub your hands, lot of heat has been produced in winter and you feel warmth. So heat produces friction and damage some parts of the machine. What does it mean here? When just you already know friction generates heat, This heat raises the temperature of a machine, sometimes causing damaged parts. Hence, proper arrangement have to be made to keep the machine cool. For example, insulation of windings of machine like mixer grinder, hair dryer may got spoiled due to friction and the motor may burn. So here just you have understood wear and tear means energy wasting and heat production. So what does it mean? Sometimes we have to use more force and unnecessary our energy is wasted. So dear children, means the object in contact require more force to overcome friction between their rubbing surface. This results in wastage of energy. So lot of disadvantages there. Sometimes you know जब मशीन चलती है फ्रिक्शन के कारण उसमें क्या होती है लॉट ऑफ नॉइज तो अगेन मोर नॉइज पॉल्यूशन इज देयर अगेन इट इज अपोजिट मोशन ये मोशन को रोक रहा है यानी कि डिसएडवांटेज है अगेन मोर पावर टू बी एक्सर्टेड बाय ए मशीन एंड अगेन वेस्टेज ऑफ एनर्जी सो आई थिंक you have understood the concept regarding advantages and disadvantages. Now in next video, we will discuss about how can we increase friction and decrease the friction. So dear student, today you have to go through disadvantage and advantage and next video we will meet again soon. Till then, goodbye.